Introducing the 2021 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this trail-ready Jeep Gladiator, the midsize pickup designed specifically for off-road exploring. Tech-savvy and incredibly versatile, this fearless adventure machine is ready to take you on the road less traveled in comfort and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection. Feel the adrenaline of adventure when you're on the trail in this Gladiator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.